My name is Reed Brown. I'm the owner of Red Hills Land Works here in Tallahassee, Florida. We started operating about 1 year ago. Just started out me as an owner-operator, and now we've grown to 3 employees and 3 machines. We have a DENIS CIMAF 180E on our CMI, and we have a DENIS CIMAF 150D on our ASV 75. Total operation cost of our machines is more in the carrier than it is the mulching head. The mulching head is simple. It's, put grease to it, check the pulleys and belts, and you're good to go. Most of our contracts are either small residential contracts or contracts through commercial developers in this area. We'll go in and clean up a piece of property just so they can see what they're working with on the land before they actually come in and start developing. We also do timberland improvement and hunting land, cutting fire breaks and shooting lanes and trails and food plots. In a day, we can usually clear about 2 acres worth of land with our larger machine and a ½ acre to an acre with our smaller ASV 75. Here in Tallahassee, we have lots of pine forest, lots of pine trees, oak trees, some palmettos. Not a whole lot of invasive species in this area that are accustomed to, South and Central Florida. We're, more swampland. We run the Type 3 blades on the DENIS CIMAFs. We get between 80 and 100 hours out of a set of teeth. It all depends on soil conditions, if you're in rockier soil or sandy soil. One of the benefits to the knife style teeth that we can run on the DENIS CIMAFs is we can sharpen them throughout the day and keep that profile to give us a nice clean finished look. Using the DENIS CIMAF heads, we have an increased productivity per day over the other brands of mulching heads. So we can get in, do more work in a day, get out quicker and save the client money. We've regularly gone into swampland and been able to actually cut through some vegetation that is extremely thick, and with any other type of head not running the knife style teeth that the DENIS CIMAFs run, we just simply wouldn't be able to get through the areas. One of the reasons we went with the DENIS CIMAF products is because of all the replaceable parts. Any of the standard wear parts you can replace, and they're easily accessible. You can order them from DENIS CIMAF. They have great customer service. Whether it be teeth or the skid pads or the liners in the head, you can replace those easily, where on other machines you can't do that. With the DENIS CIMAF head, we can finish a job quicker and leave a finer finished product in less time than any of the other competitors' heads. And they offer multiple teeth, some that we can run in rocky soils, whether it be carbides when we get down near the coast and we're in sandy situations, or we can run the knives when we need to cut through lots of woods and do stuff real fast, and it leaves a nice finished product. Overall, our experience with DENIS CIMAF has been very good, and we would definitely recommend their products to anybody.